welcome to my channel. Today I will be speaking about laser, and I'll be testing the TwoTrees MW-3 Mini laser engraving machine. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. This particular model has a Bluetooth connection and a USB connection, and when you unbox it, you have the machine itself, you have the detachable feet which you have to put on, then there's a surface protection sheet like this. It comes with a batch of different testing material, and there's a little strip. It's a laser focus adjustment strip, so you can focus the laser beam to the smallest available size. There's a user manual. It comes with a power supply, USB cable, and a pair of protection glasses. You start by clicking the blue laser app, and then you come to this control screen. You choose your device from the list and Bluetooth, and then you're connected. That's very easy. In this case I'm using the photo album. I have a pre-selected picture I want to do. You can imagine why. I have some adjustments, and then I can go and choose my material, and I'm choosing board, and then it's a preset for board writing or engraving. And then I send it to the laser engraver. It takes a little while, so let's just speed up that process. And we're there. And then the machine is processing, and I can hit the preview button, yes, and then I can determine the engraver's working area and adjust my material to fit correctly. So I'm ready, and I just press the start button. And we're going. In the welcome screen you can see there's a material bank, and you can choose from a lot of pictures, and you have puzzles and numbers and figures. There's lots to choose from, and you can adjust them, and yeah, I think some of them are made for cutting, and I think the machine actually can cut cardboard, so I know it can engrave quite deep, and that's something we're going to try in another video. Yeah, and as you can see, there's a lot of things to adjust, and you can also from the menu you can choose to do a barcode or a QR code or whatever you like. As you can see here, it's a text editing. I can put in my desired text, and I can choose the font and the size and the alignment, the angle. So yeah, and also I can of course just import a text as a picture. So here we are. Thank you for watching. Please come back and don't forget to subscribe. See ya!